If you're tired of SEO tools that promise rankings but leave you crying into your coffee at 2 a.m., this video is for you. DFY Suite 7.0 says it can rank pages without skills, tech headaches, or hosting NASA servers. Sounds bold. Let's see if it actually delivers. Hey, Kamal from TestedApps.com here. I've spent 6 years testing SEO tools, ranking systems, and so-called magic buttons. Most look fancy, most do nothing. Today, I'm breaking down DFY Suite 7.0. Honest review, no hype, no fluff. Quick heads up, if you grab DFY Suite through my link below, you'll get my exclusive bonus stock. Real bonuses, not PDFs nobody opens. Details are waiting in the description. So, what is DFY Suite 7.0? It's a done-for-you SEO ranking software built for beginners and busy marketers. The main promise is simple. You submit campaigns, they handle the ranking process. No keyword research gymnastics, no backlink spreadsheets, no fancy dashboards with zero results. Just rankings, in any language, in any location. The system works in 3 simple steps. Step 1, create your campaign. This is easier than setting up a Gmail account. Seriously. Step 2, submit it into their DFY system. No SEO degree required, no secret handshakes. Step 3, their system handles the syndication and ranking. You wait, Google notices, positions start moving. That's it. No hosting nightmares, no plugin chaos, no late night YouTube rabbit holes. Here's what actually matters. First benefit, done-for-you rankings. This removes the biggest pain point, doing everything yourself. Second benefit, works globally. Local SEO, affiliate offers, client projects, different countries, different languages. Third benefit, agency rights included. You can use this for clients, yes, even on the front end. Fourth benefit, credits-based system. This keeps things controlled. No spam, no random blasts that kill results. This is built for execution, not confusion. Let's talk price. DFY Suite 7.0 costs $34.95 one time. Compare that to typical SEO tools. Rank trackers, $49 per month. Indexers, another $30 to $50 monthly. Link tools, more subscriptions. After 1 year, you're easily paying $500 to $1,000. Here, you pay once and actually get something done. That matters. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hey guys, Josh is more here, and if you're watching this video, then you are looking to register for the upcoming live demo session of the grand reopening of our #1 most popular done-for-you social syndication platform that we've ever released. Over 5 years ago is when we first opened up Done4You Suite, and since then we have continued to be the go-to platform for done-for-you high quality social syndication so that our members can rank on the first page of Google quickly, whether it be for their videos, their sites, their client videos, their Google local listings, whatever it may be. If you are looking to get high quality backlinks and have it all done for you, Done4You Suite is the platform for you, and I'm really excited to share with you all of the 6.0 additions and improvements that we've done to our platform over the last year and a half or so. It's been that long since we released a new version, so we've had a lot of time to improve it, make it better, and deliver better and faster results to our users. And in version 6.0, if you can believe it, we've actually made it even more done for you. So just when we thought that we couldn't make it any more seamless and easy and as done for you as possible, we've been actually able to do so. So join me for this special live demo session using the form right below this video, and I cannot wait to show you exactly how we've made this platform even better so that you can get even more rankings, more traffic, more sales with the power of done for you social syndication. So I'll see you there, and make sure you arrive at least 10 to 15 minutes early to ensure that you can grab a seat.
Now, the optional upgrades. You don't need all of them, but here's the honest breakdown. OTO 1 is monthly credits, best for people who want consistent campaigns or plan to run client work long term. OTO 2 is the DFI indexer. This boosts indexing speed. More index links equals stronger rankings. This one is a no-brainer if you care about result speed. OTO 3 is XRanker 360. This helps lock page 1 video rankings before even creating Brados. Smart system, great for YouTube and Google combo traffic. OTO 4 is the AI niche site blueprint. This is training, not software. Fast site builds, smart monetization, real case studies. Pick what fits your goals, skip what doesn't. Here's my honest take. I put DFY Suite through my usual torture test. No special treatment, no secret hacks. What I liked most is how focused it is. No fancy graphs, no fake AI buzzwords. Just a system designed to execute rankings. This is the kind of tool I wish existed years ago, before I wasted money on shiny dashboards. Let's be clear, this is not instant money. You still need offers, you still need patience. It's not for lazy button clickers who want results in 10 minutes. And it's not for people who hate following simple steps. If that's you, this won't save you. Now imagine Imagine this: waking up, checking rankings, seeing movement instead of excuses. No tech stress, no tool overload, no SEO headaches. That's what DFY Suite 7.0 unlocks. And right now, it's available at launch pricing. Once that's gone, it's gone. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Grab DFY Suite through my link below to lock in my exclusive bonuses. Come all from TestedApps.com. See you in the next one.